about this. Every question you have ever had, every product you have searched for, every place you have discovered, it all started with Google. And the brands you notice first? That's not luck. That's SEO. Hi, I'm Hazel and welcome back to my channel Career Lab. I have over 5 years of experience in digital marketing, and today let's understand what SEO really is and why it matters more than ever. Before we continue, quick note. There's an institute that focuses on real skill and high-paying roles. I have added the link in the description. So, what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of optimizing your website so it ranks higher on search engines like Google when people search for something related to your business. In simple words, SEO helps your website get free organic traffic. Imagine this. If someone searches best cafes near me and your website shows up on the first page, that's SEO working for you. More visibility is equal to more clicks is equal to more potential customers. Now, SEO has three main parts. First, on-page SEO. This includes optimizing your content, keywords, headings, images, and making sure your website is easy to read and understand for both users and search engines. Second, off-page SEO. This is about building credibility. Things like backlinks, mentions, and online authority help Google trust your website more. Third, technical SEO. This includes website speed, mobile friendliness, site structure, and overall performance. Basically, making sure your website works smoothly. So, why do brands invest so much in SEO? Because SEO brings long-term results. Unlike ads, where traffic stops the moment you stop paying, SEO keeps working for you over time. And no, SEO is not dead. People still Google everything, from products to problems to reviews. If your brand isn't showing up in search results, you are missing out. SEO does take time, patience, and consistency, but when it clicks, the results are worth it. So, to sum it up, SEO is about helping the right people find you at a right time without paying for every single click. If you are interested in content, research, analytics, and long-term growth, SEO is a powerful skill to learn. And if you want to learn digital marketing skills that actually work in the real world, I have added helpful resources in the description below. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who still thinks SEO is just keywords, and subscribe to Career Lab.